The Rebluum is hooked up. We have an auto mode for SD, FHD, which is 2K video resolution. We have here is the COG gear. The strength is 100%. The battery is 100%. We have a alert notification turned on. The alarm management for motion detection. The sensitivity on and off can detect human detection by hitting it. The nighttime and daytime and the sensitivity of the detection. We have a power saving mode, a performance mode, a custom mode, and a recording time of 10, 20, and 30 seconds. We have a tamper on and off. So this way, when the unit in the back here triggers this button to be pushed out, when removing off the wall, you get a notification. You have other information of setting your time, the sound, and the video. We have a live, a history, and a cloud, and a calendar of when the events take place. The unit has an SD card, and it will go into the SD card area. We have your screenshot, an intercom, an original sound with other types of sounds. You could change your voice to a clown, an uncle, and so forth. Going to the next screen, you have a siren and an album. This is a clown. This is the clown's voice. Installing is as easy as putting up the bracket.
That's how easy it is.
And placing on the unit, locking down. And using a special torque screw to put it in place. With the supplied battery, simply place in. Place the unit where you like it, correctly upright. Choose the volume and doorbell. The unit has a number of doorbell chimes of your choice that you can go through. Once you've chosen your doorbell, just place it where you're going to hear it. It has a speaker, it has a USB port, the volume controls, and the doorbell controls. The unit has a blue and red light. It has daytime and nighttime vision. When you want to notify the person in the house, simply press the button. It gives a standard doorbell ring. You wait for the other person to talk to you back and forth. You get notified by a phone call that you have a visitor that you simply answer. And then you are connecting to the phone, the doorbell outside. And then you simply could communicate via the intercom through speakerphone. And when finished, you hang up your call. We have live, history, the cloud, screenshots, intercom, original sound, recording, motion detection, tamper, and you can go with the siren and an album and your settings. If you tap on the screen and you could go into a live 4:3 view. You could record video, capture video. This is the video in 2K resolution during the daytime, and nighttime it have the sensors, the PIR sensors for you, night vision. Talk and mute the sound and auto SD and FHD, which is your 2K video resolution. When your battery runs low and you've been warned, you're going to simply take the charging cable and you're going to plug it into the unit, and the unit will charge. You're given instructions. You have the application to load on your smartphone, Droid and iOS, how to hook up, a sticker to warn, hardware, the mounting bracket, the charging cable, the right angle and straight Torx security screw bit. Smartphone not included. You have the doorbell to change different tones and everything of the Rebluum system. So if you're looking for security or a simple doorbell that makes it wireless to your house on your property to answer, receive calls anywhere in the world on a 2.4 gigahertz unit, this product may be something that you are shopping for. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.